Ever wondered how to recreate the famous Joe and the Juice tuna sandwich at home? Today is your lucky day. We're diving into the secret behind this legendary sandwich. It's all about simplicity, folks. No fancy ingredients, no complicated steps, just pure, uncomplicated goodness. This recipe is an orchestra of flavors. The soft creaminess of the tuna, the tangy sweetness of mayonnaise, the fresh bite of onion and herbs, all sandwiched between slices of wholesome, nutritious whole wheat bread. And the best part? You can whip this up in your own kitchen. No special tools needed, just a love for good food and a dash of enthusiasm. So grab your apron, roll up your sleeves, and prepare to embark on a culinary adventure. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new, irresistible sandwich-making skills. Ready to get started? Here's what you'll need. First off, grab a 12-ounce can of tuna. Make sure it's drained well. We don't want a soggy sandwich, do we? Next, you'll need a quarter cup of mayonnaise. This gives our sandwich that creamy, dreamy texture. For a bit of zing, we're adding juice from 1 lemon. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now let's add some crunch with a quarter cup of chopped onion. It's the perfect contrast to our soft tuna. And of course, we can't forget the herbs. Another quarter cup chopped should do the trick. It's all about that fresh burst of flavor. Lastly, grab 2 slices of whole wheat bread. It's the vessel for our delicious filling. Plus, it's packed with fiber, so it's not just yummy, it's also good for you. Got everything fantastic. Time to create some sandwich magic. The heart of this sandwich lies in the perfect tuna mix, so let's get it right. First things first, you need to drain your canned tuna. Make sure you get out as much liquid as possible because we want our tuna mix to be moist but not soggy. Once you've done that, it's time to introduce the tuna to its partner in crime, the mayonnaise. Now this is where you get to be the artist. You want enough mayo to make the tuna creamy and delicious, but not so much that it overpowers the other flavors. Next up, we're going to add some zest and zing with the juice of a lemon. Don't hold back here, folks. That lemon juice will cut through the richness of the mayo and tuna, giving our mix a bright, fresh flavor that will make your taste buds dance. Now let's talk onions. You'll want to chop them up nice and fine. The onion brings a bit of crunch to the mix, a counterpoint to the creaminess of the tuna and mayo. And let's not forget the herbs. Choose your favorites, chop them up and toss them in. They'll bring a pop of fresh green flavor that takes this tuna mix from good to great. At this point, you might be tempted to just dig in, but hold your horses. We're going to let this mix sit for a bit. This allows all the flavors to mingle and get to know each other. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Once you've given your mix a little time to rest, give it a taste. This is your chance to adjust the flavors. Maybe it needs a bit more lemon juice, or perhaps a pinch more herbs. Remember, this is your sandwich, so make the tuna mix sing to your taste. And voila, you've got your perfect tuna mix. Ready for the next step? Now comes the fun part, assembling your sandwich. We've prepped our ingredients, we've crafted our perfect tuna mix, and now it's time to bring it all together. The assembly process is where the magic really happens. This is where we transform our humble ingredients into a sandwich that's delicious, filling, and a perfect replica of the Joe and the Juice tuna sandwich we all know and love. So, grab your 2 slices of whole wheat bread. Whole wheat is our choice because it's not just hearty and delicious, but it also adds a great deal of fiber to the meal. Now take a good amount of your tuna mix and spread it evenly on 1 slice of bread. This is a crucial step because it ensures that every bite you take has the perfect balance of flavors. Too much in one bite and you might find it overwhelming, too little and you might feel like you're missing out. Now let's talk about the spread. You don't want to just dump the mix in the middle. Start from the center and work your way towards the edges. This way you're guaranteeing that every single bite is as enjoyable as the last. Remember, the art of sandwich making is all about the distribution of ingredients. Once you've spread your mix, take the second slice of bread and place it on top. Press it down gently so it adheres to the mix. And there you have it. Your Joe and the Juice tuna sandwich is assembled and ready. But we're not just making a sandwich here. We're creating a meal, an experience. So, serve it with a side of your choice. Perhaps some crispy potato chips or a fresh salad, maybe even a cold beverage to wash it all down. The choice is yours. And just like that, your Joe and the Juice tuna sandwich is ready to be devoured. Enjoy every bite knowing that you've created this culinary delight from scratch. And remember, the best meals are those made with love, attention, and a dash of fun. Enjoy. Want to take your sandwich to the next level? Here are some insider tips. The secret to a truly remarkable sandwich starts with the ingredients. Go for the best quality you can find. When it comes to tuna, opt for a high-quality canned version. The difference in flavor is noticeable and will give your sandwich that extra edge. Next, let's talk about seasonings. The beauty of this sandwich lies in its simplicity, but that doesn't mean you can't add a personal touch. Consider adding a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a bit of kick, or a sprinkle of mustard for an added tang. If you're a fan of black pepper, don't hesitate to grind some over your tuna mix. The spice will add a depth of flavor that pairs wonderfully with the creaminess of the tuna and mayonnaise. Now, on to the bread. Whole wheat bread is a great choice for its nutritional value, but why not experiment with other types? A crusty sourdough or a soft rye could bring a whole new dimension to your sandwich. And here's a tip that's often overlooked. Pay attention to your sandwich assembly. Spread your tuna mix evenly across the bread, making sure to reach the corners. This ensures every bite is as delicious as the last. Lastly, consider the temperature. While this sandwich is traditionally served cold, you could try grilling it lightly for a warm, comforting meal. The heat will make the flavors more pronounced and give your sandwich a lovely toasty finish. Remember, these are just suggestions. The beauty of cooking is in the freedom to experiment and make a dish truly your own. So don't be afraid to try new things and tweak this recipe to suit your palate. With these tips, your sandwich is not just good, it's extraordinary. You've mastered the art of the Joe and the Juice tuna sandwich, but don't stop there. You've unlocked a new skill, a new recipe, and a new favorite sandwich. You've created something delicious, something that you can be proud of. And the beauty of it all? You did it yourself, right in your own kitchen. Now don't let this be the end of your culinary journey. No, let it be the beginning. Experiment with the recipe. Throw in some avocado for a creamy twist, or perhaps some chili flakes for a spicy kick. Swap the whole wheat bread for a baguette or a ciabatta. The possibilities are endless, and the kitchen is your playground. And when you've found your perfect version of the Joe and the Juice tuna sandwich, share it with the world. Share it with your friends and family. Let them taste the masterpiece you've created. Who knows, you might just inspire them to start their own culinary journey. Remember, the simplicity of this sandwich is its strength. It's easy to make, yet incredibly flavorful. It's the perfect combination of creamy tuna, tangy mayonnaise, zesty lemon, crunchy onion, and aromatic herbs. All nestled between two slices of nutritious whole wheat bread. It's a symphony of flavors and textures, a melody that dances on your taste buds. But most importantly, it's your creation. You've put your heart into it, your creativity, your passion, and that's what makes it truly special. So go ahead, keep experimenting, keep creating, keep discovering, because the kitchen is not just a place where food is prepared, it's a place where magic happens. It's a place where ordinary ingredients are transformed into extraordinary dishes. It's a place where you, the home cook, become the magician. And remember, every great chef started somewhere. They started with simple recipes, just like this one. And look where they are now. So who knows, maybe one day you'll be the one inspiring others to embark on their culinary journey. Remember, the best sandwich is the one you make yourself. So go ahead, get creative, and enjoy your culinary journey.